The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston Emergency Management. Please stay away from the target Charleston South Store at 2070 San Brandenburg Boulevard. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a group of unidentified individuals entered the store and opened fire, killing 2 people. It is unknown where these individuals are from. At this time, the target Charleston South Store is closed until the situation ends. If you feel uncomfortable in your current location due to this situation, leave the area by all means. Tune into local media outlets for further information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston Emergency Management Agency, Charleston, South Carolina. A hostage situation is currently taking place outside of the target Charleston South Store. 23 minutes ago, a group of unidentified individuals entered the store, opened fire, and killed 2 people. The individuals have taken 25 people hostage with unknown intentions. They threaten to detonate a bomb if their demands are not met. Local authorities have been called in to deal with the situation. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, or other news sources for more information on this dangerous situation. Be prepared for evacuation orders.
I'm a big kid now. Went from baby bottles to drinking from sippy cups. Went from wearing diapers to rocking these fresh pull-ups. We're 50 million.
A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for Charleston County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Charleston Police Department. At 9:46 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the individuals that were responsible for the shooting at the target Charleston South Store escaped from police fence. The locations of the individuals are unknown. Because of this, the CPD is asking all residents within a 5-mile radius of the city of Charleston to shelter in place immediately. To shelter in place, turn off all lights. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and ventilation systems. Close all fireplaces, and cover cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a building and avoid windows. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 11:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the group of individuals detonated a nuclear bomb in the Charleston City Hall. Although the individuals were incinerated by fallout, it can still pose a major threat to civilian life. Fallout is a product of nuclear explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Anyone within a 500-mile radius of the city of Charleston are urged to seek a fallout shelter immediately. If no such shelter exists in your area, get to the lowest floor of your home and avoid windows and doors. Close and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all heating and ventilation systems. Close all fireplaces and cover cracks on doors and windows with tape or damp towels. Bring at least 14 days worth of food, water, clothing, supplies, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. It is too late to evacuate. Repeating, it is too late to evacuate. Seek a fallout shelter now.
The civil authorities have issued an administrative message for Charleston, SC, effective until 11:25 p.m. EST, September 7, 2024. Message from Code 13 TV. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. All clear. The radioactive fallout has cleared out of the city of Charleston. All residents are free to exit their shelters. It will take construction teams several months, or even years, to rebuild the destroyed areas. This concludes operations under the Emergency Alert System. Normal programming may now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.